Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift and remove your truck's cab. Step 3. Begin cutting or torching and punching out the rivets retaining the mount to the frame rail. Step 4. With the included hardware, bolt the new mount to the frame rail using a ratchet and wrench. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, lower your cab and reinstall the bolts and bushings. Now, get back out on the road.